In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a YouTube video into Google Slides in just a few minutes. Adding videos to your presentations can make them more engaging, dynamic, and memorable. With Google Slides, the process is simple and beginner-friendly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to embed any YouTube video seamlessly into your slides. To start, open Google Slides in your web browser. If you're not signed in, log into your Google account. Signing in ensures you have access to all your slides, previous work, and Google Tools. Once logged in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage where you can see all your saved presentations and shared files. Next, decide whether to create a blank presentation or select a template. Templates provide a structured design and consistent theme, which is great if you want your slides to look polished without spending extra time formatting. For beginners, starting with a blank presentation gives you full control over layout and design. Once your slide deck is open, focus on the top menu and click Insert. This opens a drop-down menu containing various elements you can add, including text boxes, images, shapes, and videos. Hover over or click video to start embedding your YouTube content. You'll be prompted to paste the URL of the YouTube video you want to include. To get this URL, go to YouTube, navigate to the video, and copy the link from the address bar. Return to Google Slides, paste the link into the provided field, and click Select. Your video will now appear on the slide. With the video inserted, you can drag it to any location on the slide and resize it by clicking and dragging the corners. This flexibility ensures that the video fits well within your layout and is clearly visible to your audience. You can also align it with other elements for a professional appearance. Additionally, Google Slides allows you to adjust playback settings. Click on the video, then open the Format Options panel. Here you can set the video to autoplay when presenting, mute audio, or trim the video to highlight key parts. These options help tailor the video experience to your presentation needs. Embedding videos can make your slides more interactive and visually appealing, helping to maintain audience engagement. You can also combine videos with animations, transitions, and text overlays for a richer presentation experience. By following these steps, you've successfully inserted a YouTube video into your Google Slides presentation. With practice, you can create slides that not only convey information, but also keep your audience engaged with multimedia content. Remember, experimenting with positioning, sizing, and playback settings can enhance your slides even further. Thank you for following along. I hope this tutorial helps you make your presentations more dynamic, professional, and memorable. Keep exploring Google Slides to discover even more ways to enhance your presentations. Happy presenting!